Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at the CZ SP-01 Phantom. Beautiful, full-size CZ handgun that people rave about. Polymer frame, 4.6-inch barrel, double action, single action firearm with 18 rounds in the magazine. Very nice setup with the single action is pretty amazing. And I love full-size handguns. You know, the accuracy is very nice. It makes an average shooter feel like a professional. And I got that same experience with the all-steel frame SP-01. When I reviewed this gun, people said that is the most accurate shooting 9mm handgun that they have ever experienced. Then I took it to the range, and I have to say, I agree. These people know what they're talking about, and they speak very highly of the SP-01. Now that I've owned it for a little while, I am a fan, and I'm happy to have the Phantom. They are very similar, but there are some differences. Mainly it's the weight, with the all-steel frame and the polymer frame. We can take a look at the dust cover there. You can see that the pick titty rail on the Phantom is full length, as where this is a 3-slot. But they have similar a feel to it that's very similar. The trigger action, very similar. Beaver tail, very similar. All right, so we didn't want these to be very much different, okay, because they've got a winner with the SP-01. One of the things that is different is the width of the grip. You can see that it's much thicker here. These have interchangeable grips, and some people put G10 grips on there. Look absolutely beautiful. I needed to do that, you know, dress it up a little bit to give it that special look. But I like this grip as well. It does have interchangeable back straps, a little sandpaper-ish texturing there. Front strap and the back strap textured, nice feel to it. And that double action trigger is nice as well. This could be carried in quarter cock. All right, just like that. Because it does not have a thumb safety, so, you know, from this way of carrying, you get a little bit of a shorter trigger pull, but when it's in single action, right there is your decocker, and it puts the hammer back in quarter cock. 3-dot sights, and the front sight is a bit tinted green, just a little bit, but it does stand out as you line it up. Now with the all steel frame, this one here has a thumb safety, so this is meant to be carried cocked and locked. All right, so here it just kind of locks it up a little bit right there, and you're good to go. All right, so you can carry that one in single action, both 18 round magazines. The MSRP on the Phantom is $636, but I go up and down Gunbroker, the average price is right around $570 to $590, so not too much off of the MSRP, like $40, maybe $50 if you get a good deal. Not too much, but you know, it's a CZ. It's a phenomenal firearm. Now in the case, you have a typical CZ case, and it does come with two 18-round magazines, cleaning supplies, some tools, and the additional back strap that I told you about. Well, there goes the clip to the case. But I want to get them on the scale because I want to show the differences in the weight. Now both of these are unloaded. We'll insert the magazines in each. And here we have 1 pound, 13 3/8 ounces. We look at just the ounces here, and we're looking at 29 3/8 ounces. And here we have the all steel frame, and that's at 41.5 ounces. So definite difference in the overall weight, difference in the feel. But one of the things that I noticed, and I did check this out, is that the slides, they work on both frames. So you can see this one has front serrations, night sights. This one does not. But if I wanted to, they could, because I could just switch them out, as well as the magazines, of course. But let's go ahead and take a look at the internals. All right, we'll just move this back a little bit. Use the back of the mag. This is tight because it is brand new. And we'll go ahead and take this off. Full length slide rails. All right, there's your polymer frame. And then here we have an uncaptured recoil spring and your guide rod. 4.6-inch barrel, does have locking lugs in there that hug in with the top of the slide. All right, real tight. So when you insert it back in, there's just no play at all. And then we put this right back in here. For a full-size gun, right around or under $600, that's not too bad. People compete with CZs, and it has a great reputation, known worldwide. And that trigger is just so nice. So I'm going to get this to the range. I can't wait to do it. I fully expect it to shoot and be as accurate and reliable as the all steel frame, but these are two fine handguns, very well crafted, and CZ has an excellent and well-deserved reputation, and I can vouch for that. I own several actually, but I'm so happy to have the Phantom. I'm going to get this to the range and do a range review and show you guys, hopefully show you guys how well I shoot it. I'm pretty confident that it'll go just fine. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.